Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here, and this is another quick video for you. So this is on the Audi Q3. This is my new car, and I'm doing a full service today, but this is a part of it in case you just want to replace your air filter. So I'm going to show you quickly how to replace it, where it is in the car, and obviously I'm going to show you the part number, and I'm going to put the link in the description below in case you want to order one. I'm going to find you the best price for it as well. So obviously we've got the new air filter here. I usually use either Bosch or Men filters. They're good quality and they're decent price as well. So yeah, I'm gonna show you today how easy it is and how quickly you can replace it and why you should do it as well. So this is usually the toolkit that I use on all of my jobs when I'm doing services or repairs. It's a brilliant toolkit from Draper Expert Tools. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. The tools are really good quality and the price is really good as well. So to do this job, what you're going to need is the Torx 25 or a Phillips screwdriver on some of them. In this case, obviously, it's Torx 25. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws that I need to undo. Once they're all undone, they do stay in there. They're part of the box. So just lift it up a little bit and you can see the old filter is in here. Just have a look if you got any rubbish in there. As you can see, there's plenty of lifts usually in there. Just clean it out. You can hover it out if you want to. But as you can see, obviously the old filter does need replacing. It's quite dirty, and the dirt that you get in here will restrict the airflow into your engine, and you do need a good airflow in order for the engine to work properly and to have a good fuel economy as well. So if you have a look, got nice and clean air filter there. So we're just going to pop it in there quickly. Make sure you locate it in there properly so the rubber bit goes in place, and just close it, do everything up. You don't need to go too tight on them because, like I said, it's only plastic. And that's it. Like I said, nice and easy job. You only got 8 screws. All you need is Torx 25, and just undo them, replace the air filter, get rid of the rubbish you got in there, and job done. I hope you enjoyed the quick video, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.